To add text, select the text tool here. You can also press T for the keyboard shortcut and click anywhere on your preview to add your text. You can adjust the duration by dragging the end of the text clip. Highlight all your text to edit. You can also use Ctrl-A for the shortcut. Under Essential Graphics, you can use these to align your text. Here you can change the size. And under Text, you can change the font here and the format here. Under Appearance is where you can select your color, stroke, background, and shadow. You can play around with these settings as you like. So that's all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.